In the food industry, utilities like environmental air, compressed air, water, and steam are not just operational necessities, they're pivotal for product quality. Hence, the main challenge is selecting and designing these utilities to meet stringent standards. 1. Environmental air. The air surrounding the production plant can harbor contaminants. To protect product integrity, manufacturing areas must maintain high hygiene levels, with regular air quality monitoring and suitable air pressure differentials to prevent contamination. Air used in sensitive zones must pass through HEPA filters, ensuring the highest quality. 2. Compressed air. It is a workhorse in the food industry, so it must be contaminant-free. Direct contact systems require oil-free compressors, and rigorous preventive maintenance and documentation are key to ensuring the purity of compressed air used in food production. Water usage in the food industry is diverse, serving as an ingredient, cleaning agent, or processing medium. Its quality varies based on its use, but all water must meet regulatory standards, undergo microbiological testing, and prompt corrective actions if standards aren't met. Steam in food processing comes in two forms: process steam for indirect use and culinary steam for direct contact with food. Culinary steam must be generated with approved food-grade chemicals and delivered through stainless steel pipes, ensuring the safety and quality of the final product.